church. Look at Baby J. Look at Baby J.
What are you reading?
Look at the bunny. Look at the bunny. Mommy, a bunny.
Oh, it is a bunny. Are you reading to Baby J?
It says,
What does it say?
it says favorite animal.
It says what?
Or says, if you watch. But,
What does it say?
yeah. Look at Baby J. Look at.
Can you read to him?
Baby, a rainbow.
A rainbow?
Mommy, rainbow.
Yeah, you're so smart. Avery, how old are you?
Look. 2.
You're 2? Yeah, you are 2.
Yeah.
You're 2.5, and Baby J is 4 months old.
A pug has more.